Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Simplisafe Home Security System. Let's see if it's as easy and secure as they claim.
The Simplisafe Home Security System boasts flexibility, ease of installation, and ease of use. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First, let's talk about the pros. Setup is incredibly easy, with minimal permanent installation required.
The system is intuitive to use, making it ideal for most users. However, there are a few cons to consider. A subscription is required for full use of the system, and the price can add up quickly, especially with additional add-ons.
Now, let's take a closer look at the design of the Simplisafe system. Sleek and discreet, the peripherals blend seamlessly into any home environment.
Installation is mostly tool-less and non-destructive, although entry sensors can't be used on door frames with molding.
Moving on to performance, using the app to set up the system is a breeze.
The system is quick to trigger, ensuring that you or emergency services will be notified promptly in case of any disturbances.
Plus, it can be integrated with some smart home ecosystems for added convenience.
So, should you buy the Simplisafe Home Security System? With its customizable setup, easy installation, and quick performance, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you value peace of mind. However, if you prefer a system that doesn't require a subscription or worry about batteries, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, the Simplisafe Home Security System offers a straightforward and intuitive solution to home security. While the price can add up with add-ons, the initial investment is reasonable for what you get. Ultimately, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use security system, Simplisafe might just be the right choice for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the Simplisafe Home Security System. Until next time, stay safe and informed.